everyone. I bought this hand vacuum from Walmart. The brand is Black Decker, and considering the price, it's kind of affordable for 30 Canadian dollars. And yeah, let's try to see what is inside of the box. So yeah. So there are other colors that you can like choose from, maybe. So I have the vacuum here. Oh, the manual. The charging cord for the vacuum, because it's wireless. You have to charge it before you be able to use it. Yeah, let's see. No, the grip is kind of nice. It's not that big, small, perfect for cleaning your desk or your table, or maybe your car. Oh, it's already charged, so yeah, it seems to be working. I think the only downside of this vacuum, hand vacuums, that you have to press the power button. Hold on to it. So you have to hold on to the power button. So you have to hold on to the power button every time you wanna use the vacuum. Yeah. And let's see. Let's check if. I'm just gonna check if the bag inside is properly. So if you wanna open it, you have to press the release. This one, the release, or the empty. Yeah, lock or whatever. There you go. I think that should go like that. Not really sure. Just well, I have to check the manual later to check material, to check if what I'm doing is really right. Nope, doesn't work like that, because you'll get into the way of the thruster or the. So I think that's how it works. Anyway, put it back and you're ready to go and do your cleaning. That's it for that's everything for now, and enjoy your cleaning.